Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to tune Mini Cooper S Gran Turismo. Begin by confirming tires, brakes, fluids, and battery are in good condition before adjustments. Record your car's current performance and ECU values so you can compare results later. Make a simple checklist for parts, tools, and safety gear. Working methodically helps avoid mistakes and keeps your build clean, efficient, and enjoyable for both weekend projects and serious upgrades. Start with airflow. A free-flowing intake and improved exhaust reduce restrictions and help boost response. When changing boost levels, make incremental adjustments and monitor knock and AFR closely using a reliable logging tool. If you fit a high-flow downpipe, retune fueling to match oxygen sensor readings. Small changes compound, so validate each mod with a controlled test drive and data log, prioritizing smooth throttle and safe combustion margins throughout the process. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long garage sessions, and its no-spill lid is perfect near the tools. I use it between runs and it keeps me focused and refreshed. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on fueling and timing next to support power reliably under load. If you increase boost, match fuel delivery with a pump or injectors sized for your target horsepower. Tune ignition timing conservatively at first, then fine-tune across the rev range based on knock data. Work closely with a tuner or use proven custom maps, logging AFR, timing, and boost during test runs to ensure durability and consistent performance across conditions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.